Hey everyone, welcome back to the Crypto Code. Today we're talking about why XRP might be the most bullish altcoin in all of crypto right now. The charts, the catalysts, and the timing. Everything is starting to line up again. Let's talk about it. Before we jump into today's topic, we want to remind you that here at the Crypto Code, our goal is to provide you with the top news, research, and tips when it comes to finding projects with huge profit potential. Stay to the end of this video and learn how you can earn $10 in Bitcoin and a free weekly trade alert just for attending one of our free workshops to learn more about who we are and what we do. No purchase needed. Our trade alerts have a 93% win rate, so make sure you take advantage of this free alert. Remember, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. So do your own research before you make any crypto trades. Okay, so when you take a step back and really look at XRP's chart, you'll notice something familiar. Every major breakout in its history has started the same way, with a massive panic-driven sell-off. Think back to March 2020, the world shut down, markets crashed, and XRP dropped to around 11 cents. Everyone thought it was finished, but a year later it had exploded by over 1,500%. Then came December 2020, the SEC lawsuit hit and sentiment hit rock bottom. Yet that crash quietly built the foundation for the next big move. Fast forward to now, XRP has just gone through another deep correction, about 56% from its highs, nearly identical to those earlier setups. If it follows even half of its previous recovery pattern, we could easily be talking about a $10 to $15 XRP during this bull run. And it's not just retail traders spotting this. Veteran market watcher Peter Brandt recently described XRP's long-term log chart as one of the purest bullish setups he's seen in his career. He pointed out a multi-year base that's been forming since 2014, a structure that often leads to parabolic breakouts. Other respected analysts like Credible Crypto agree. They've called XRP's high time frame chart one of the strongest in the entire market. If this wedge pattern plays out like 2017, we could be looking at double-digit prices before the cycle ends. Meanwhile, real-world catalysts are stacking up fast. Institutional involvement is growing. CME Group has already launched regulated XRP options and futures, and they're seeing billions in combined trading volume. That's serious institutional attention. And then there's the ETF story. Bitwise, WisdomTree, and Franklin Templeton all have XRP ETF filings waiting for SEC approval. October and November are packed with decision deadlines, and one approval could ignite the next big leg up. Even Cointelegraph, which hasn't exactly been bullish on XRP in the past, recently called it Wall Street's dark horse. That's a huge sentiment shift from mainstream media. Despite all that, many traders are still skeptical. Some say XRP can't hold $3, the same thing they said before its last major rally. At the same time, the broader crypto market just experienced one of the biggest liquidations since 2020, with around $20 billion wiped out. Historically, events like this often mark the bottom before a strong recovery. If the market does bounce, XRP could lead the charge. It already has regulatory clarity, growing institutional products, and one of the most technically sound setups on the charts. So here's the bottom line. Every time XRP has faced extreme fear, it's followed by an explosive rebound. Veteran traders are calling it bullish. Institutions are expanding exposure. ETFs are lining up, and history shows what tends to happen next. No one can time it perfectly, but the setup looks strong, and XRP might be about to prove the doubters wrong again. What do you think? Could XRP reach $10 to $15 this cycle? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Stay ready, the next big move could already be on its way. Thanks for watching the Crypto Code. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more crypto insights. Let me know your thoughts on today's video in the comments below. You can also check out what we do here at the Crypto Code by registering for one of our free workshops where we show you how we and our students profit in crypto, no matter if the markets are up or down. If you register for the workshop, you also get access to a free weekly trade alert. Attend our free workshop, take a short quiz at the end, and we will send you $10 in Bitcoin. No purchase needed. We've already given away hundreds of thousands of dollars worth of Bitcoin just this year alone. Just look for the link in the description of this video to register for the workshop. It will be worth your time. Our public trade record currently has a 93% win rate, and you can view it here. Best of luck with your investments, and remember to stay informed and stay safe in the crypto world. See you next time.